Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can issue a certificate automatically once someone completes your course. So let's say in GoHighLevel you have a course created and you're selling the course or you're just sharing it for free, and what you want to do is once someone finishes that course, basically goes to the watches all the modules, completes all the modules and all the lessons you added, you want to issue a certificate automatically. So that's really easy to do. Let me show you how to do that. So for that you need to go to memberships, and then first of all you need to create a certificate. So let's just create a certificate now. Let's go from a template. I will just select this one, confirm, and then I will just have to edit a few things. So you can just edit whatever you want. This is the email, this is the certificate builder. It's really simple. It's not as sophisticated, as powerful as the funnel builders, but it works, right? So once you update these headlines and sub headlines, and if you want to add any other elements to it, you can add images, badges and stuff. So once you're done, just save it and just name your certificate like business growth course completion. So I'll just call it that. And then what I need to do is I need to create a simple workflow. So I'll just go to workflows, and then I will just do start from scratch. And so the trigger will be, so let me just name it. So the trigger in this case will be once someone finishes a course. So I'll just say course product completed. A product is basically a course in high level. So product is any of how to grow your business. So I just have one product in this sub account. This is just a demo account. So I have this product. This is basically my course. And once the product, or once the course is finished or completed, all I need to do is I'll just type certificate, issue certificate, and then templates. Just choose the template, save, publish. That's it. That's all I need to do to issue a certificate automatically once someone finishes my course. And the best idea for you would be to set up separate workflows, separate certificates for each course, not combining them, not using the same certificate for multiple courses, if that makes sense. So hopefully that was helpful. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I will see you in the next one.